So today I want to talk about the diversity of landforms on the earth. We have continents, plateaus, plains, mountains, oceans, and seas. So much varieties of landforms are there. So this is so much variety which exists on the earth's surface. So India has so many cultures and traditions, languages, faiths, regional differences, food habits, living habits. These are all depends on the climate. Climate in other way depends on the landforms. So landforms plays a very important role in the formation of different culture, traditions and people habits, and this is their physical abilities also depend on the landform where they are living. So this much of variety of landforms are there. So, and also we have temperature. In this lesson, we are going to talk about the variations, variety, diversity of temperature on Earth. That is the topic of this lesson. So, our lesson is energy and the solar sun. So, the main source of energy we are getting from the sun. So, how it happened? Due to the temperature. In this lesson, I am going to explain the variation in temperature, diversity of temperature, how it affects the human life and their culture and traditions and civilization. So now I will write the first point. What is temperature? You should know the meaning of the temperature first. Temperature is a condition of heat, simply because of, for your better understanding, I am telling you, explaining in a simpler, a condition of heat. So if you go to the definition, relative conditions of heat and light. Light and cold, sorry. So this is the relative condition. How when we feel very hot. So for the last 1 month we have been suffering due to the heat. We are boiling and burning like potatoes in a cooker. So this type of sultry existing due to the high temperature. How can you say we are suffering from heat temperature, heat waves, hot? Because we know earlier what was the temperature in the winter. Winter we was very comfortable. So when you compare with the temperature, we understand this is hot. So this is the relative condition of being heat or cold. So that is the definition. So we have to be experiencing whether it is a hot or cold, we should know the other thing. So being a hot, when you come to the cold conditions like winter, we feel very much happy because we already experienced a temperature, high temperature. So that is the definition. So going to the next definition, next point. Temperature varies from place to place. Temperature varies means changes. So temperature is not the same all the places. From one place to other place, temperature varies. So I am writing it. Temperature varies from place to place. So why we are talking this? We are talking about the variation, diversity of temperature. వివిధత. ఎందుకు ఈ వివిధమైన ఉష్ణోగ్రతలు ఉండడానికి కారణం ఏంటి అనేది ఈ లెసన్ యొక్క మెయిన్ సెంట్రల్ ఐడియా. సో దట్స్ వై ఐఎమ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయినింగ్ టెంపరేచర్ వ్యారీస్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్లేస్ టు ప్లేస్. So what are the conditions that make the temperature in certain levels? Sometimes somewhere it is hot, somewhere it is cool. The same day, the same sun, the same earth. So what is the difference between this temperature variation from place to place? The same day we are talking. We are not talking comparing winter with the summer. We are talking the same day. Today we are feeling very hot. Some 3 days back we are experiencing some drizzles and we are somewhat comfortable. So this comparison makes us to understand what is the high temperature, what is the moderate temperature, what is the cold temperature. That's why, so what is the reason for this temperature? So the curvature of the earth is not flat. You should understand this is the curvature. Earth will never be at any place, it is not flat. It will be like that. So when we stand at one place, we feel we are standing on a flat surface. But this is the very small part of the huge, massive earth. So we are standing in a single spot. The spot where we are standing itself is a very minute, very small part of the huge earth. That's why we feel it is a flat. But actually, if you go on moving, if you rise from the earth's surface in a spacecraft, you feel you can see this curvature. Astronauts were going into the space, so like PSLV, GSLV, and of course they are unmanned satellites which takes the photos. They will take photos like this, very huge. You can't take the whole picture of the Earth, a single satellite which is just above the 400 kilometers. So to take full disk of the Earth, we have to go toward the moon, almost some 1 lakh kilometers. Then you can see the whole disk of the Earth. So that is the curvature. So curvature of the Earth will not allow the sun rays fall uniformly at all places. Angle changes. From one place to other place, angle changes. So I will discuss you the latter part of the lesson how the angle of the sun which is falling on Earth's surface makes a difference in temperature. So next point I am talking. So temperature differences because of this curvature, angle of incidence. So we have to learn here angle of incidence. Angle of incidence is the angle at which the sun rays are touching the ground. You can imagine in your brain. Here we can be the sun rays fall at all the places in the same angle, not possible. Earth is spherical in shape, round in shape. So it will never be possible to receive the sun rays at the same angle. So these differences make the Earth to experience a different temperature at different places. So temperature differences between places causes wind and rains. What causes the winds and the rains? So this curvature of the Earth is causing differences in temperature. That is the main point. Because of these differences in temperature, we experience a high temperature at one place, low temperature at one place. The wind, what is wind? Moving air is called wind. So you should understand. Air is a mixture of gases. Air is a mixture of gases. It is around us. Even it is in our body, in our lungs. Air is a mixture of gases. When it moves, when it is moving, it is called wind. When air is moving, it is called wind. Then what the question is, how the air moves, why it is moving. So for that, this is the reason. Differences in temperature will cause the air to move, that is the wind. The wind at one time very fast, sometimes moderate, sometimes not so, very lethargic. You feel the air is stagnant. At any moment, the air moves with some speed because Earth will never be any time will be the same temperature. At different places, different temperatures. At some places, high temperature. At some places, low temperature. So high temperature at one place causes the pressure, low pressure. What happens? For example, I am drawing a picture. I will show you. this is the Earth's surface. Sun is there like this. Sun rays are touching the ground from morning to evening. What happens? Here the sun is almost vertical position. So what happens? Vertical sun is always steep angle, will always cause high temperature. At this temperature, the air above the earth, above the surface, you understand the air has different density at different stages. On the ground where we are standing, the air is packed, the air is condensed, so very tightly packed because of the gravity of the earth. The earth gravity pulls all the atmosphere towards its surface. That is the place where we are standing, living. One scientist compared human beings and other living things with fish. Just like the fish and marine creature which lives under the sea. So, through which they are moving, the medium is water. The same way we are moving just like a fish, we are also swimming in the air. So this is the another version of air. Washing the place where water is moving. Here air, through air is moving just like the fish in the water. So on the earth's surface, the air is more denser, closer, so that will be heated up very fast. So when the temperature is hitting the ground, when the ground is rises temperatures, the air above the ground level, so above the ground level start transmitting heat. So earth is once again reflecting the sun rays toward into the air. Then air becomes hot. So when the air is boiling like water in a kettle, so the molecule inside the air moves faster. When the molecule in the air moves very faster, they become lighter. Air is made hot, the hot air will become lighter. Then it starts moving toward the sky. Lighter air moves top into the sky. So when air is moving, here is a vacuum is created. On the ground, air is moving away, there is a low pressure is created because not all the air is not stagnated here, because when it becomes lighter, air automatically rises. Balloon, hot air balloon is the best example. When you keep hot air in the hot air balloon, the air inside the balloon is hotter compared to the air around the balloon. So that's why it becomes lighter and it rises into the atmosphere, goes into top and top until the air within the balloon becomes cooler. When the air inside the balloon becomes cooler, the air inside the balloon and the air above outside the balloon become the same temperature. Then the balloon becomes heavier and it falls. You understand? This example gives the idea air becomes lighter moving toward the sun, towards the sky. So this here is the low pressure area is created. Low pressure is created. So this is the pressure means the barometric pressure or air pressure is the same. What is air pressure? The pressure exerted by air on any body including our body per square inch. Around 14 pounds, the Americans use pounds, we convert around into kgs, it is maybe around 7.5 kgs like that. So this is the pressure, normal pressure at which we are living. The pressure decreases and there will be, when it will decrease, the air becomes lighter. So that does not mean air is totally vacuum or at this place. Immediately the cooler wind which is in the sky will come down and occupy the place of low pressure area. It is a cycle which goes on, all the time it goes on. In this process, air from low pressure area, a pressure is created, low pressure is created, becomes vacuum, it needs to be filled. So the surrounding area, cooler area will come toward the low pressure and will be filled. Then once again it will be heated and it become lighter, goes on. In this process, this is a continuous process. In the meanwhile, when you are standing somewhere, cool breeze is touching your body. Sometimes slightly faster air. In the cyclonic, you will be pushed and the trees, the branches are falling. In the beginning, air will be around 20 kilometers wind speed. The balloons, just like polythene covers on the roadside, the lighter papers will be rising and floating in the air. That shows the air is now moving. That is wind. Because why it is the wind is moving? Because somewhere there is a low pressure area. That low pressure is a sucking cool wind. Cool wind is heavier. You should understand. Hot wind is lighter. Cool wind is heavier. So when the hot air rises into the sky, at that place where the air is hot, heated up, have a vacuum, a low pressure area that will suck the cold wind from the distant area. So in that process, when you are standing, some wind is touching, you feel very much relaxed. If it is a breeze is a small winds with a low speed, so that will be comfortable. If the speed increases 20 kilometers, you understand there will be rising of vapors into the sky, and also polythene covers for greatest environmental. We observe what I did not observe in my childhood. Polythene covers are rising into the sky. Small branches of the trees are falling. Dry twigs. పొలాలు అంటాం సార్, ఎండిపోయిన పొలాలు చెట్లు పెంచి కింద పడుతుంటాయి. So that you might have observed. This is all due to the wind has so much power. So that the wind from your place or from other place going touching your body, then you feel something is going wrong. You watch the whole atmosphere, sky, and sometimes you feel maybe it is a low pressure area. Some cyclone is coming. Cyclone is the severest form of low pressure area. So that is how the wind. So I already explained that is the temperature always varies from place to place because of the sun is not touching the spherical shape. So the curvature of the earth is responsible for the. I will tell you how temperature varies from place to place in spherical shape like earth. Temperature, rainfall in a very critical way. So temperature and rainfall is very important for living things, whether it's the human being, animals, insects, whatever there in the world, they have to survive. They need rain as well as temperature. Both are required. So that's why temperature and water is very much important to the human existence. So water is existing on the earth. This is the only planet in the solar system which has ideal temperature of 19 degrees. So 19 degrees temperature, this is average temperature of the earth. Average temperature of the earth, 19 degrees. This is ideal temperature at which living things can multiply, live happily. There will be water in liquid form, not frozen form, liquid form. And also temperature is ideal to make life comfortable. So that's why you see from the first planet to last planet, you don't see anywhere the temperature is 19 degrees. Only the earth has this ideal temperature. That's why we see here water in liquid form. So when water is liquid form, we have all types of water bodies, seas, ocean, lakes, ponds, and also so many other rivers. So life is existing due to the ideal temperature 90 degrees and water. This is the water. If high temperature is there, there is no water. For example, we will take the case of the Venus. Venus have, you know that Venus temperature 465 degrees centigrade. Can you imagine daily life at this temperature? 100 degrees is more than too much. On the moon there is 100 degrees temperature, that is boiling point. So during the night time the temperature falls below minus. Morning to evening when there is a sun, whenever the sun is there on the moon surface, whenever it is exposed to the sun, that the temperature is 100 degrees. So this is the moon. So see the Venus 465.83. What is the reason for high temperature? Venus is closer to the sun. Moreover, there is no water on the surface because at this temperature water can never be in the liquid form. But in the atmosphere it is there 0.002%. So that's why temperature make the life comfortable or miserable. So Venus has full of clouds. So that is the reason why Venus is full of clouds. That's why, and life is very miserable. So moreover, carbon dioxide highest percentage. On the surface of the earth, the carbon dioxide CO2 is only 0.02%. So this is the minimum thing we require to make our planet comfortable, warm. Even there is no temperature during night time, we don't feel any, we don't die. But on the moon, day temperature 100 degrees temperature, 100 degrees, night temperature below minus. Both are most adverse effect, adverse condition for human existence. And that is the thing I discussed today. In the next episode, I will talk about the other things, such as heat balances, how the extreme climate, moderate climate, these are all the things which I discussed. So for what I discussed is, what is temperature, variation in the landform, how this variation of landforms are affected by temperature, because different landforms have different temperature, different climatic condition. Different climatic condition creates so much variety in lifestyles of the earth. Thank you very much.